one piece of bread, smothered peanut butter over it, fold it in half. That was my breakfast.
Peanut butter sandwich?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good too, with coffee.
Huh.
Made it as I was walking out the door. Cleaned up my beard this morning actually. Kind of like trimmed it up. If I'm gonna get my hair cut tonight, I don't want to look looking like a bum.
Like a bumpkin?
Bum, not
Bum?
a bumpkin.
What's a bumpkin?
Blumpkin?
What is that?
I'll let you look that up.
I feel like it was a song. Tell me what it is, man. Song about it, man.
No.
Country Blumpkin or something.
No, I don't I think you're thinking of something else. There's no way.
Hey, flip it, flip it, flip it.
Why?
I don't like that knot.
Get covered up. Thanks, DRK.
I think I got an old bit.
Here.
Okay.
Mark it.
Marking 10.
Marking 8. I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
But you're alive, right?
I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm kicking.
That's what matters.
Go ahead and we'll put the 412 on, we'll run it long, and then we'll cut it, right?
Erp.
Erp.
It's a fun word to say, you know?
Sure is. Wait a second. How big is this board? Maybe one of those 8/8 will work. Bro, it does.
Okay.
Right there. What's that?
That's not an 8/8, is it?
Maybe 8 2.5 to the short.
Oh, it's an 8/8.
Ah, I knew I put it up here for something. Oh, looks like pretty good.
Looks like pretty good.
Looks like pretty good. Just the gentlest of maybe gentle, you know.
Bro, whoa,
What are you doing?
whoa. Did that go up on me?
He's always up. You never. Come on, man. Good work.
Just a bit. It's not
Here,
me.
Take Tiffany back. I don't know how to treat her right. Sorry about that, guys. So we just got done getting this garage straight. We got it plumbed up on the walls, and we checked to make sure it was perfectly square. So now what we're gonna do is we've got some zip wall roof sheeting, and that's what we're gonna be putting on the roofs of the garage and all the porches, mainly because we're gonna have these valleys that are gonna be dying into the garage roof from the porches. And I gotta have something structural and flat and solid on those valleys so that I can screw my valley pan into, and that way you don't get any water leaking. So what that means is really anytime I have a valley, and you guys already know anytime we do a porch, we go ahead and sheet it. That way any snow load that could come off of the upper roof, it hits that sheeting underneath the steel and doesn't cause any issues. Also, it really makes a really nice roof.
You know, it's a good lesson to be learned right there. The little bird chasing the big bird. You know, sometimes just little birds of life just try to always pick on the big bird. The big bird don't care.
Anyway, what we're gonna do here with the zip is I've got a bunch of 2 3/8 ring shanks, and these are 30-degree paper tape nails, and we're gonna have to use the Hitachi. This is the 1890 DC cordless battery powered gas-free nailer, and you guys see us use it all the time, but I don't really want to use it for sheeting. Problem is, I forgot our coil pneumatic, which is what we normally use. I don't know where it's at actually, so maybe it's in my shop. The worst part is that you got one strip at a time. Otherwise, this thing is an awesome nailer.
Nothing like the Dewalt.
Yeah.
That was miserable.
Let's think about this too, Greg. In my mind, I thought if we started on the end, we would be good. Here's what I propose. We shift this in to our truss line.
2-foot line, and go off of that.
That'll get us to be good the whole way down without, every sheet will be on a stagger at least.
It's not a bad idea.
No. So I'm gonna give you the nailer, you're gonna hit your top, and I'm gonna leave the bottom off.
Okay.
We'll track saw a snap line, and then we'll
Move it in and out.
make it perfect.
Easy. Okay. Close. Right there. All right, man. That there.
Got it. Go over just a little bit. It's actually, yeah. There you go. Cool.
Cool.
Back in this rhythm, Greg.
Oh, go uphill. No.
You lost it now.
I got get your weight on it.
I don't have weight.
Fatty.
I don't have weight on it.
Right.
Bump fire going, bro. Well, we're gonna call it a day. We got the garage roof all sheeted with zip. We got it taped so we know that it's a nice complete weather system. A lot of you might ask me, why are you guys running your zip basically vertical, not long ways horizontal like most times that you see it on a roof? And that's because I don't think you have to, because I think the zip sheet is actually a structural sheet whether you run it long ways or short ways. So typically with like a drywall or other sheet good, you're gonna run it perpendicular to the strength axis, which is usually side to side. So you want to always run your studs. If your sheet is 4x8 this way, you want to run your studs this way. And that's just the way we've always done it. So that's how I like to do it on the post frame. Since our purlins are running horizontal, we run the sheets of zip perpendicular to the strength axis. Like I said, I don't actually think that that's necessary with zip, but it's just good practice if you're sheeting something to always run perpendicular. So we got that done. We did do a stagger, not a big stagger, because once again, the sheeting is not our shear. It's really just there to protect any snow maybe that might come off of the roof, and we don't want to damage anything, and we also want that sheeting there in the valley. We're gonna go call it a day. About 95 degrees today, very sultry. I'm ready to go home. I wish I had a pool. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment down below if you got any questions or any feedback. I'd love it. And we'll see you guys on the next video.